Are you looking for wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to revamp your home on a budget? Most people do not revamp their living spaces due to fear of expenses. But what if we tell you can use different wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces to transform your home decor on a budget? Revamping your living space on a budget can feel like a daunting task, especially when you want to create a warm, inviting atmosphere without breaking the bank. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is through the use of wood furniture and wooden decor pieces. Wood has a timeless appeal, a versatility that suits various design aesthetics, and the ability to add warmth and texture to any room. Revamping your living space with wood furniture and decor is a fulfilling venture that allows for creativity and personal expression. By thoughtfully selecting pieces, engaging in DIY projects, and incorporating personal touches, you can create a warm, inviting atmosphere without overspending. Remember to enjoy the process, embrace imperfections, and take pride in your transformed space. With each wooden element, you'll be adding not just beauty but also a sense of warmth and comfort to your home. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to revamp your home on a budget. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Before diving into the world of wood furniture and decor, it's essential to assess your living space. Take a moment to walk through each room, noting the areas that feel cluttered or uninspired. Consider the following. 1. Layout. How does the current arrangement of furniture affect the flow of the room? Are there areas that feel cramped or underutilized? 2. Color palette. What are the dominant colors in your space? Are there opportunities to introduce wooden elements that complement or contrast these colors? 3. Natural light. How does light move through your space? Wood can enhance natural light, making a room feel more open and airy. Once you've analyzed your space, it's crucial to establish a budget. Revamping your living area doesn't require spending a fortune. By setting a clear financial limit, you can prioritize your purchases and avoid impulse buys. Consider allocating funds for key furniture pieces. Identify 1 or 2 larger items that could make a significant impact. Decor accessories. Smaller wooden decor items can be added gradually, allowing for flexibility in spending. DIY projects. If you're handy, consider taking on some do-it-yourself projects to create custom wooden pieces that fit your style. When selecting wooden furniture and decor, consider the type of wood and its characteristics. Different woods offer varying aesthetics and functionalities. For example, lighter woods like pine or birch can create a more casual, airy feel, while darker woods like walnut or mahogany add a sense of elegance and depth. One of the best ways to find budget-friendly wood furniture is to explore thrift stores, flea markets, and vintage shops. These places often have unique, high-quality pieces that can be refurbished or styled to fit your vision. Look for solid wood pieces. Ensure that the furniture is made from solid wood rather than particle board for durability and longevity. Quality construction. Check for sturdy joints and finishes. A well-made piece can often be transformed with a little TLC. Character. Embrace imperfections. Dings, scratches, and patina can add character to your space and tell a story. If you find a piece of wood furniture that has good bones but needs some love, consider refinishing or upcycling it. This can be a rewarding process that not only saves money but also allows you to personalize your furniture. 1. Sanding. Start by sanding down the surface to remove old finishes and prepare the wood for staining or painting. 2. Staining or painting. Choose a color that complements your existing decor. Stains can enhance the natural grain of the wood, while paint can offer a fresh, modern look. 3. Sealing. Protect your newly finished piece with a clear sealant, ensuring it withstands everyday wear and tear. In addition to furniture, wooden decor pieces can elevate your living space. Consider the following tips for incorporating wood into your decor. Wall art: look for wooden wall hangings or create your own using reclaimed wood. This can serve as a stunning focal point. Shelving: wooden shelves can display your favorite books, plants, or decorative items, adding both functionality and style. Accents: wooden accents, such as picture frames, bowls, or candle holders, can be easily mixed and matched, allowing for a personalized touch. As you add wooden elements to your living space, strive for a cohesive look. This doesn't mean everything has to match perfectly, rather, aim for a harmonious blend of colors, textures, and styles. Consider the following. Mixing woods: don't be afraid to combine different types of wood. Just be mindful of the tones and finishes to create a balanced aesthetic. Layering textures: incorporate textiles, such as throws or cushions, to soften the look of wood and add comfort to your space. Focal points: create focal points by grouping wooden pieces together. A rustic coffee table can be complemented by wooden coasters, a bowl, and a few carefully placed decor items. Wooden elements naturally connect your living space to the outdoors. To enhance this effect, consider integrating plants into your decor. Indoor plants not only improve air quality but also add a vibrant touch of life. Pair wooden planters with your furniture for a cohesive look. Good lighting can transform the appearance of wood furniture and decor. Natural light can highlight the grain and color of wood, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. If your space lacks natural light, invest in warm-toned bulbs that mimic daylight. Consider lamps with wooden bases. These can seamlessly integrate into your decor while providing functional lighting. Hanging fixtures: a wooden pendant light can serve as a striking centerpiece, drawing the eye upward and enhancing the overall design. Ultimately, your living space should reflect your personality and lifestyle. As you incorporate wooden furniture and decor, think about the items that resonate with you. Whether it's a vintage wooden chest that holds memories or handcrafted decor that showcases your creativity, these personal touches will make your space feel uniquely yours. To ensure your wooden furniture and decor last, regular maintenance is key. Dusting, polishing, and avoiding excessive moisture will keep your pieces looking their best. Consider using natural oils or waxes to maintain the finish and enhance the wood's natural beauty. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to revamp your home on a budget. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.